Hi everyone, welcome back to the 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So today in this agenda, what we are going to look into this is some important concepts which have been given that as to handle the interviews. Yes, interviews point of view. This in this section has been given that on the weekend whenever you have the time, yes, sit it and do that this work. So what is the main agenda in this the weekend agenda? What you can do this is the coming weekend. So already you know that AWS IAM service, which you are understanding about the users, groups, roles, and policies. But that is which you are looking at account level, but account level is not enough. So we need to understand about it, how the SSO service or SSO system is going to work it. That means yes, like multiple environments, multiple AWS accounts, if you have anything, then how the users can be managed and how the policies can be managed centrally. Yeah, so this is one more very, very important concept which we should understand that as additional concept it has been given that. That's why it has been mentioned on the weekend. Yeah, so in this weekend agenda, so what you are going to learn it this is AWS related advanced concept, that is IAM SSO service, the very important. Yeah, so if yes, you are interested, so on this the concepts, and if you are looking about it, they're learning all these points. Yes, so you can enroll the course. I'm going to give this in the description, the link. Yeah, let's move into this. In this agenda, what you are going to learning this is, so as we are using about it workflows. Yeah, so it has been given that AWS cloud journey, and in this weekend, so you can access the forum link, IAM SSO service. But before that, let me talk it that what are the important points you are going to have it in this the video in this today's in this video on the weekend on the basis of whatever comfortable time and on demand base which you can learn it. Yeah, the 2 points which you need to look into that on IAM SSO service. One is about organization structure. Yeah, creating organization and verifying that the management accounts. And as well as it has been given the demonstration, and labs also has been given that on all these activities. And how do we join their member accounts with invitation links? Yes, member accounts on the basis of the development environments or the testing environments. Yes, the members who are that belong to that account. Yes, how do we send that invitation links to them? And as well as enabling that SCP. This is very, very important concept. The policies, service control policies, under tag policies at organization level, the where multiple accounts that can be applied. Yeah, all these are 3 concepts in the first section you are going to learn it. And next another section, that is IAM SSO service also, which is covered in this video. So how do we enable that SSO service, and how do we create users and groups? Sorry. And how do we define that integrating with directory services? Yeah, that is also one of the important the activity. The directory service, what is that? And organization level users and groups, how that will be managed, and creating the permission sets, and as well as assigning to AWS accounts. Yes, all these points you are going to get it. The very, very important and interesting concept. So go ahead and referring that. And coming to that's where you can access this, the section is, yes, this is the forum link which has been given that. If you just click on it, which will be redirected to this link. And here you can see this, the video, and as well as the labs, the organization lab. So how to create an organization, and how do you add the accounts and the members to that accounts, and SCP, the policies. Yes. So all that in one lab guide, which will be having the practically, and as well as another lab, that is SSO, that is a single sign-on, how you can enable that. And if it is required to integrate with the third-party directory services, how do we integrate with that? Yeah, all those points you will get it. Yes, very, very important and interesting concept, how the entire global level, the policies and the users can be managed. Yeah, so that's all from this section. So please complete it and go ahead and do the labs as well as the step-by-step it has been given that with the screenshots. Yes, go ahead and try to implement that. Yeah, thank you. That's all from this section. We'll see this in the next section.